First of all, your team is so amazing. So I have understood. I just have to think about something and just talk to you guys. You will give me the best possible option. So that's the best safe feeling for me. People with whom I have worked, for them it was litmus test. Like, because I was the most successful person they have ever interacted with. So
Right.
I was like trial and error for them. Okay.
Got it.
So I did not have anyone to tell me from their experience कि Amrita, this has worked, this has not worked. With you guys, what is the best thing? And I'll again say this, that you already have people who are more successful than me, and that's the best thing for me because I do not have any insecurity. On the contrary,
Right.
one of the reasons I chose you people over other options or agencies I had was this only ki I told Kunal also, Kunal, they have more successful people than me. Okay, so they definitely have better experience of having or managing people who are doing so very well. And then I wanted to be one of the smaller players so that you can take me to that level.
Is there anything about your experience with Growthify that we haven't covered that you would like to share? Probably can be a constructive feedback for us.
No, in fact, I'll tell you with you guys, what all changes I realized. First of all, your team is so amazing. So I personally felt ki, I need to put in more effort. So there was this first time in my 3 years, I felt that I am not able to give my 100%, which I normally do not feel ever. You guys were actually the reason I decided to stop my life. अदरवाइज मुझे वो एक करेज ही नहीं आता था. मेरा यही था कि अरे लाइव में बेसिक वाला बंद कर दूंगी तो कैसे होगा. बिकॉज द वे वी स्टार्टेड कन्वर्टिंग विथ यू गाइज, आई गॉट दैट this courage ki okay, I can stop that daily life which is draining me so much, and we can still create, still we can have better conversion. Okay, so that one thing is there. And the second program that I'm thinking about, it again came because of you guys. It was not even in my psyche also कि जो हीलर्स कोचेस का प्रोग्राम मैं बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई सॉ ईच एंड एवरी, बिकॉज अगर एक बार होता था ना, if it was just through one launch, like ICH ka launch hua, we have got 45-50 people and 20 people are new, I would have been happy. But with every launch, if we are getting such a good, see, I already knew that my selling is very good. I already know my programs are the best programs in the market. That is there. Okay, that was there earlier also, but then something has improved here. No? I still remain the same. So what has improved is you guys coming on the board and giving me such amazing conversion. So yeah, that was the reason also I realized that I need to focus more on healers coaches and create aspiring healers coaches. So yeah, this program is totally because of you guys. Thank you so much.
You keep transforming and we'll keep marketing.
Sure. अभी मुझे कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है guys. अभी so I have understood. I just have to think about something and just talk to you guys. You will give me the best possible option. So that's the best safe feeling for me. That was my whole thought, and I'm definitely sure that I've taken best decision.